So I'm about to finish one of my smaller DIY projects, and I thought I need to share this with everyone. Have you ever been so anxious and nervous about drilling into your wall thinking that you're going to hit a pipe or a metal stud or even electrical wires? Because it freaks me out every time. Well, I have this really cool tool that I wanted to show you guys. So this is the Walabot DIY2M. It's basically X-ray vision for your walls, and I'm going to show you how it works. It connects to your phone via Wi-Fi, and then it just sticks on with a magnet. It takes a few seconds to calibrate against the wall, and then you can start using it, and it'll show you exactly what's behind your wall. When it shows a purple line, that could either be a pipe or an electrical wire. The Walabot helped me find the perfect spot to hang this mirror. It helped me find a spot where I could put an anchor and a screw, and another spot where I could attach a screw into a wooden stud, all while avoiding those dreaded pipes and electrical wires too. Also, I think it's important to note that the Walabot, it won't drain your phone battery because it comes with its own rechargeable battery, and it only connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, so you can work away from your phone if you want to. And at the end of the day, I got a perfectly hung mirror and zero damaged pipes or wires. Everything looks great, except for the dirty mirror. I've got to clean that, I know. But I just have to say, the Walabot DIY2M, this isn't your grandfather's stud finder. This thing is next level. It's for iOS and Android phones, and it connects straight to your phone so that you can see exactly what's in the wall, up to 4 inches deep. Do yourself a favor and don't let the fear of what's behind your walls hold you back from your next DIY project. Get the Walabot DIY2M.